Today guys, I'm gonna write your face.
Pinuntahan po natin kaagad yung si Tangkay kasama si Joe Hatag para tingnan yung mga badyaw at hanapin yung badyaw na sumisisi ng matagal sa ilalim ng tubig. Pinuntahan namin yung mga badyaw village, maging dito sa Iraw at doon sa Sinunod. Buti na lang at nakahanap kami ng mga badyaw na magagaling talagang sumisit sa ilalim ng dagat. Kasi nga, dito, hindi porket badyaw, masasabi na natin diver. Karamihan po sa amin na nakatira sa dagat, pero iilan lang yung mga talagang masasabi natin professional pagdating sa pagsisi at pamamana ng isda.
Go. Now it's done. This was the drawing guide. This was your beautiful face. Yeah, I really love that face. I love that. You're so beautiful. Yeah. If someone tells you you're so ugly, don't believe them. Just said, whatever, you're not even that kind of pick me, but look at yourself. Look in the mirror. I think the mirror break because your face looks like that.